Welcome back, guys. So today we're in the part two of the 4th of July updates, and this time we're in MRT right now. So let me guys show you what we got. Also, by the way, I forgot to show you guys something. I forgot to let me go back to the home page. Okay, let me return to the hub. So the new promo code is America 25. Okay, I already redeemed it, and I don't remember what it gives. So I'll tell you what we could get in the description area. So make sure to look out for that. Also, wait, who cares? So anyway, let's get in. Let's go to the car dealer. Let's go to the dealership. And there's been some new cars. And as you can see, this is the first new car actually over here. This is the first new car. The first new car. I'll show you guys more of the cars. Here, there's another new car. So let's go to dealership. I think it's this. Yeah, it's this. So the first car we got is this 1989 Chevrolet Corvette. A C4, I think. A C4. Okay. So this is the car we have. And it's the C4. C4. You heard me right, it's the C4. And then the next car we have is also another Corvette, except it's the C6. So it's the C6. It's the ZR1 version. And then we have, I don't know what HE6 is actually. I don't know what it means. But yeah. So these are the two new cars for this update. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you all. And yeah. See y'all in the next one. Peace.